Hello viewer, in this video I will show you how to fix Google Play Store not working problem. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down and find out App. Click on Apps. Now search Google Play Service. Go to Google Play Service. Now scroll down. Click on Storage. Now clear cache data from Google Play Service. Now go back. Now go to Google Play Store. Now scroll down. Click on Storage. Now clear cache data from Google Play Store. Now go back to your home screen and follow the second step. Go to your file manager. From here, please check your internal storage. If your internal storage is running out, then Google Play Store does not work properly. So please free up your internal storage. Now restart your phone and then reopen it. So please follow this 3 steps to fix Google Play Store not working problem.